The Ukrainian strategy of destroying Russian ammunition depots is hurting Russia badly, and it's diminishing Russian offensive plans. Ukraine has recently destroyed 2 of Russia's military ammo depots in Ukraine's southern Kherson region, according to a Ukrainian military spokesperson. Natalia Humeniuk, the head of the United Coordinating Press Center of Security and Defense Forces of the south of Ukraine, was asked during an interview with the Ukrainian news agency Ukrinform on Monday about the reported destruction of an ammo depot in the city of Novokakhovka in the Kherson region. Humeniuk responded that in addition to one in Novokakhovka, an ammo depot in another district of the Kherson region was also destroyed. Humeniuk stated that these strikes resulted in the enemy lacking ammo to attack Ukraine's positions, saying that they saw very good results. Such strikes not only interrupt the logistic chains of the area, but it also affects the morale of the occupants, Humeniuk said, according to an English translation. Humeniuk did not specify exactly when each ammo depot was destroyed or where the second destroyed depot was located. Much of the Kherson region has been under Russian control since early in the Russia-Ukraine war, which began on February 24 this year. This has reportedly not stopped Ukrainian forces from continuing their fight to retake the oblast nearly 5 months into the conflict. In late June, Ukrainian presidential advisor Alexei Arestovich said in an interview with internet blogger Mark Fejan that Ukrainian forces had moved within 18 kilometers, a little more than 11 miles, of Kherson city. The Institute for the Study of War, a U.S. think tank that provides frequent updates on the Russia-Ukraine war, provides maps on assessed territorial control and fighting in Ukraine. The ISW's most recent map for Sunday, July 17, pinpoints claimed Ukrainian counteroffensives taking place along the edge of the Russian-held territory in the Kherson region. The map circled a point about midway between the cities of Kherson and Mykolaiv, which is about 36 miles from Kherson and is not currently shown to be under Russian control. The ISW assessed that the circled point had seen significant fighting in the past 24 hours. Last week, Ukraine announced that it had destroyed 2 different ammo depots using US-supplied HIMARS missiles within Novokakhovka. It was not immediately clear if either of the 2 strikes on Russian ammo depots in Novokakhovka that Ukraine announced last week were the same that Humeniuk was referring to in the interview with Ukrinform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.